Hello again, everyone. Teacher Kurt back with you, and today we have another video from our space series for you. Last time we talked about the moon, and today we're going to talk about a much, much bigger object in our solar system. Now, this one is hot, and I mean really hot. Have you guessed it yet? If you answered the sun, you got it.
Hello! I'm the sun!
You look a lot like the moon from last time.
Why? Because we're both round? That's stereotyping. You know, you look a lot like every other human I've seen.
Okay, sorry. As I was saying, the sun is the centerpiece of our solar system. Everything revolves around it.
You've said it! I've always been popular!
Anyway, all of the planets of the solar system, as well as the comets and asteroids, rotate around the sun. In fact, that's why we call it the solar system. Solar means of the sun. Now, I already mentioned that the sun is really big. When we look at it from the Earth, it looks like it's roughly the same size as the moon, but it's actually much, much bigger.
Larger? I'm 3 million times the mass of the moon. That's a lot of time in the gym, baby.
It's true. The sun is roughly 3 million times heavier than the moon. And when compared to our home planet, the sun is still far bigger. The sun is around 300,000 times heavier than Earth, and its dimensions are also much larger, with a diameter of nearly 1.4 million kilometers. If the sun were hollow, we could fit more than 1 million Earths inside. Now, the reason the sun looks similar in size to the moon is because it's much farther away. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, the moon is roughly 200,000 kilometers away, but the sun is 150 million kilometers away. Now, that's so far that it takes light 8 full minutes to reach us here on Earth. And it's a good thing, too, because if it were much closer, life couldn't exist on Earth at all.
That's right! Invade my personal space and you'll get burned!
To say that the sun is hot is a little bit of an understatement. Now, the surface ranges between 5,000 and 10,000 degrees C, but that's actually the coolest part. The sun's atmosphere, also called the corona, is around 2 million degrees. But that's not as hot as it gets, because the center or core of the sun reaches an insanely hot 15 million degrees Celsius. It reaches these incredible temperatures because of the nuclear reaction raging in the core. Now, stars convert the element hydrogen into more complex ones, like helium and other heavier elements, in a process known as nuclear fusion. Now, the energy given off by this reaction creates a tremendous amount of heat. And while that might sound a little scary, just remember that the sun's warmth is what makes life on our planet possible. So, we should be thankful for this big ball of burning gas in the center of our solar system.
All in a day's work. You're welcome.
Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the sun. Please tune in to our next video when we'll discuss another important part of our solar system. And please remember to click like and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
That's bedtime for me. I'll see you all in the morning.